Okay, I'm retrieving one of the recorders that I set up last night, and there were quite a few moorhens hanging out in the little open water area here in this back marsh. But let's see. You can see the dry bag the recorder's in, and I stationed 2 microphones up in the wax myrtle above the recorder. The recorder stays dry. It did rain last night, but there's 2 dry bags, so it's double protected. And the wind bubbles, the wind protection keeps the microphones relatively dry. And I've never had a problem with them getting wet and not functioning. But I'm excited to see what kind of audio that we picked up last night. It's just absolutely beautiful out here in the swamps.